Students, as you know that we were solving the exercise 2.2 related to the linear equation in one variable. Today we solve the question number 11. Let we start now. Baichung's father is 26 year younger than the Baichung's grandmother and 29 year older than the Baichung's. According to this statement, बाईचंग्स फादर जो हैं वो 26 ईयर छोटे हैं बाईचंग्स ग्रैंड मदर एंड 29 ईयर older than the Baichung. So first of all we will assume the Baichung's age, and after then Baichung's father, and in last we will see the grandmother age. So first of all we will take the Baichung age variable x here. So let the age of Baichung x. Is that clear? Now according question, Baichung's father is 29 year older than the Baichung. So according question, Baichung's father is will be x plus 29 year, and according to question, Baichung's father will be 26 ईयर यंगर देन द बाईचंग्स ग्रैंड मदर. इसका मतलब है बाईचंग्स ग्रैंड मदर जो है वो बाईचंग्स फादर से 26 ईयर बड़े हैं. सो यू कैन राइट हियर एंड एज ऑफ बाईचंग्स ग्रैंड मदर be x plus 29. It is the age of the Baichung's father, and इससे भी वो 26 ईयर बड़े हैं. So we will add plus 26 year. Okay, now you can see according to the condition of question, the sum of the ages of all the three is 135 year. You can see the sum of their ages will be 135 year. So you can write here sum of their ages will be 135. So we will add here x, it is the age of Baichung, plus x plus 29, it will be the age of Baichung's father because Baichung's father is older than the Baichung age, plus x plus 29 plus 26, x plus 29 plus 26, it is the age of the Baichung's grandmother, and the total will be 135 here. Now we will add here x plus x plus x will be 3x, okay, plus 58 because 29 plus 29 will be 58, plus 26 equals to 135. Okay, now you can see 3x plus 58 plus 26 will be 84 equals to 135. Now you can see it is the linear equation in one variable, and if you want to the solution of linear equation, first of all we will transfer 84 here and then after 3. So you can write here 3x equals to 135 minus 84. Okay, now 3x equals to 51. 135 minus 84 will be 51. So x equals to 51/3, बिकॉज यहाँ पे 3 और x जो है वो मल्टीप्लाई हैं, सो यहाँ से जब 3 ट्रांसफ़र होगा तो ये डिवाइड हो जाएगा. व्हेन वी डिवाइड इट देन वी गॉट 17 ईयर. सो यू कैन सी द एज ऑफ Baicheng will be 17 year, and then after Baicheng father age we got here 17 plus 29, so you can write here age of Baicheng equals to 17 year. Age of Baicheng's father, Baicheng's father, you can see Baicheng's father age is x plus 29, so x is the Baicheng's age and Baicheng age is here 17 year, so you can write here 17 plus 29. Okay, 9 7 16, 1 carry, 2 1 3 and 4 46 year. Okay, so the age of Baicheng's father will be 46 year. Now age of Baicheng's grandmother, you can see x plus 29, it is the age of the Baicheng's father, and grandmother will be 26 year older than the Baicheng's father, so we will add here plus 26, so you can see age will be 46 year, it will be the age of the Baicheng's father, and we will add here 26, then you can see here total will be 6 and 6 will be 12, 1 carry here, 4 2 6 and 7 72 year. So you can see the Baicheng's grandmother age will be 72 year. I hope आपको ये समझ में आ गया होगा. Now we solve question number 12. 15 year from now Ravi age will be 4 times his present age. You can see रवि की जो प्रेजेंट एज है अब से 15 साल बाद में वो जो है 4 गुना हो जाएगी उसकी प्रेजेंट एज का. यू कैन सी एंड व्हाट इज रवि प्रेजेंट एज. सो लेट वी अज्यूम दैट लेट द प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ Ravi, you can write here x, because you can see 15 year from now, अब से 15 साल बाद में Ravi's age will be 4 time of the present age. So first of all we will choose the present age, because हमारे पास जब तक present age नहीं होगा तब तक हम उसके 15 year बाद में क्या age होगा हम उसका decide नहीं कर सकते. So first of all we will take the present age here. So present age x here. Now according question, after 15 year, okay, after 15 year it will be 4 time of the present age. So you can see 15 year बाद में जो इसकी एज होगी वो होगी x plus 15, 15 साल वो बढ़ जाएगा, and it will be 4 time of the present age, 4 time of present age, that means 4x. Is that clear? 15 साल बाद में जो उसकी एज होगी वो प्रेजेंट एज का 4 टाइम होगा. ओके, नाउ वी विल सॉल्व इट. x को हम यहाँ ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं. सो यू कैन राइट हियर 15 इक्वल्स टू 4x माइनस x. ओके, लाइक टर्म को हमने एक तरफ कर लिया है. 4x और x जो है वो लाइक टर्म है और 15 जो है वो इनसे अलग है, सो हमने इसको अलग कर लिया है. नाउ 15 equals to 4x minus x will be 3x. You can write it 3x equals to 15. Okay, 15 equals to 3x और 3x equals to 15 ये सेम ही है. x equals to 15 upon 3. When we divide it, then we got here 5. Now you can see x value here 5, and x is the present age of the Ravi. So present age of Ravi will be 5 year. आई होप आपको ये समझ में आ गया होगा। आज आपको एज से रिलेटेड असाइनमेंट मिलेगा। आज के लिए इतना ही।